In the world of data, one size does not fit all. Each team, each department, and each individual has unique needs and perspectives. Imagine presenting a complex financial dashboard to a sales team. They would likely feel overwhelmed and disengaged. The sheer volume of data can be paralyzing. This is where the power of customized dashboards and reporting comes in. By tailoring data presentations, we can make information more accessible and useful. By tailoring the presentation of data to specific audiences, we empower them to quickly grasp key insights and make informed decisions. This customization fosters engagement and clarity. Just as a good story resonates with its audience, a well-designed dashboard speaks directly to the needs of its viewers. It tells a story with data. A customized dashboard acts as a clear window into the data, highlighting the most relevant information for each user group. It simplifies complexity. This not only saves time but also ensures that everyone is on the same page, leading to better communication and collaboration. Teams can work more efficiently, whether it's tracking sales performance, monitoring website traffic, or analyzing customer behavior. Tailored dashboards provide clarity and focus. A tailored dashboard transforms raw data into actionable knowledge. It turns numbers into narratives, enabling smarter decisions and driving success. When designing a dashboard, it's crucial to consider the variety of devices your audience might use. This means thinking about how your dashboard will look and function on everything from large desktop monitors to small smartphone screens. A dashboard that looks great on a large desktop monitor could be unusable on a small smartphone screen. The key is to ensure that your design is flexible and adaptable to different screen sizes. Fortunately, modern dashboarding tools offer responsive design features that allow you to adjust the layout and size of your dashboards for optimal viewing on any device. These tools can automatically resize and rearrange elements to fit the screen they are being viewed on. For desktop views, you have ample space to include multiple charts, tables, and filters. This allows for a more detailed and comprehensive view of your data. However, for tablet and phone views, prioritize the most critical information and consider using a single column layout for easier scrolling. This ensures that users can quickly find the information they need without excessive navigation. Additionally, you can adjust font sizes, chart dimensions, and the spacing between elements to ensure readability on smaller screens. These adjustments help maintain clarity and usability across all devices. Remember, a cluttered dashboard is a difficult dashboard to understand, regardless of the device. Keeping your design clean and simple will enhance user experience and make your data more accessible. Imagine building a house without walls or rooms. It would be chaotic and impractical. You wouldn't know where to place furniture, and the space would lack any sense of order or purpose. Similarly, a well-structured dashboard requires the effective use of tiles and floating elements to organize information logically. Without this structure, users would struggle to find the data they need. Tiles act as containers for individual charts, graphs, or tables, allowing you to group related insights. This makes it easier to compare and contrast different data points. Floating elements, on the other hand, provide more flexibility in positioning. They allow you to adapt the layout to fit the specific needs of your data presentation. You can precisely place text boxes, images, or even individual data points anywhere on the dashboard. This customization helps in emphasizing the most critical information. This is particularly useful for adding annotations, highlighting key takeaways, or creating visual hierarchy. It ensures that the most important insights stand out clearly. By strategically using tiles and floating elements, you guide your audience through the data story, making it easy for them to follow your narrative. This thoughtful design enhances comprehension and engagement. Sharing is caring, distributing your masterpiece. Creating a fantastic dashboard is only half the battle. The other half is ensuring it reaches the right people. Modern dashboarding platforms offer various sharing options, allowing you to control access and customize the viewing experience for different user groups. For sensitive data, you can set user permissions to restrict access to specific dashboards or even individual data points. For broader distribution, consider embedding your dashboards directly into websites, applications, or intranets. This provides a seamless experience for your audience, allowing them to interact with the data without leaving their familiar digital environment. Conclusion: data at your fingertips. Mastering customized dashboards and reporting is an essential skill in today's data-driven world. By tailoring the presentation of information to specific audiences, you empower them to understand, analyze, and act upon data effectively. Remember to prioritize clarity, simplicity, and user experience in your dashboard design. By following the principles outlined in this essay, you can transform raw data into compelling visual stories that resonate with your audience and drive informed decision-making. With a little effort and creativity, you can make data accessible and insightful for everyone.